Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Beautiful view of the pigeons feeding, mashallah. It's one of the kindest thing human can do, feeding pigeons and earn lot of nekis. And not only pigeon birds, each and every animal we should feed will get lot of nekis. Mashallah, alhamdulillah. Oh, they're flying up. Look at that view. Mashallah, mashallah. Oh, mashallah. Fortunate to capture it. Oh, that's kind person. Okay. They're so clever. He fears, no? That's the reason he went over there. They went over there, all the pigeons. Mashallah. Look at two kind men feeding pigeons. Two brothers, humble and kind. Mashallah, mashallah. They are feeding pigeons. Even the another sister came to feed pigeons. What a view, mashallah. They'll get a lot of nekis. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Have a close look. Mashallah, mashallah. They're feeding pigeons. Alhamdulillah. Okay, that's the reason they went near that too. Now I got to know. They're feeding, mashallah. Mashallah. Oh, mashallah. Mashallah, mashallah. What a view. Oh man, what happened? And a group of bird is called flocks, I think so. Mashallah. Look at that. Oh, they're feeding well, mashallah. Oh dear. Mashallah. Alhamdulillah. And one more sister came to feed pigeon. Fortunate to capture that. Mashallah. Feeling well. Mashallah, mashallah. Oh dear, Maina. Sound excellent. Oh, look at that. They are growing kind and humble people. Mashallah. Getting food.